Even though by now you might have your own ideas about the direction your online business will take, this training explores your options for established types of online businesses. I am hoping that this training will help you to refine your ideas so that your new online business will be sustainable, because it will truly fit with your existing character and your lifestyle objectives in the future. Natural skills, talents, and knowledge. You should also give strong consideration to your natural talents and skills. We often overlook the things that we find very easy and natural to do. Just because you find something very easy, this does not mean that other people feel the same way. We are all different and can bring different things to this world. I advise that you employ all of your natural talents, skills, and the knowledge you have learned since you were born to make your online business stronger and more sustainable. Your personality. You can do an online search to find out more about what personality type you might be, but for the purposes of creating your online business, I would like you to focus on just a few aspects. Here are some descriptions of several character types together with the kind of online business that might be ideal. The loner. If you prefer to work alone, and you have the ability to be highly self-motivated, you can run an online business alone from your home. Instead of meeting people in person, you can deal with everyone via messaging services and email. You can even deal with your contractors through the various outsourcing platforms that exist, such as Upwork.com. This style of working also gives you the maximum flexibility, as you are not depending on personal interaction with other people to advance your projects. The types of online business that may suit your businesses where you are handling a large part of the creation and operation of your business alone. If you have an element of your online business which requires a lot of contact with other people, perhaps you can outsource this, or create a partnership where you find someone with the necessary character and skills that suits that role. The more time-consuming activities where you will have to spend hours concentrating alone include SEO, research, analyzing statistics, coding, web development, graphics, video production, content creation, and developing products. A people person. If you work best by interacting with people in a face-to-face way, then you should avoid starting an online business that requires you to spend many lonely hours in front of the computer screen. You should be thinking of outsourcing most of the creative and technical aspects of your business. Your computer should be a laptop or a tablet so that you can monitor your online business and still remain mobile. The types of online business I would expect to suit this character type would relate mainly to providing some type of consultancy service, or related to generating sales through face-to-face meetings. Another good area for the people person is to become a public speaker with a website promoting and securing bookings online. The key requirement here, besides a good personality, is that you have a very deep understanding of a specialist subject and you are skilled at imparting that information to others. The organizer. If you feel that you are a good organizer and motivator of people, you may look for a business where you are able to recruit and build groups of people with a common aim. There are affiliate programs that have multiple tiers where you are able to recruit people to sell products as part of your group. You would be able to earn a commission from your lower tiers from all the sales that they produce. If you have the skills and abilities to communicate with your growing team and to motivate them in various ways to increase their sales, a multi-tiered affiliate program may be the ideal activity for you. There is also a big need today for people who want to build and manage social groupings. You could use a website and social media to build up a group of enthusiasts for various activities, which you can monetize by selling tickets and related products online.